Hey, there he is. How was work?
It's good.
Home kind of early, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Is it a slow day or something?
Dude, what is with the questions? I literally just got home. Can you give me a fucking minute? What are you, Barbara Walters? What is this, 60 minutes? God, you gotta give me a second to settle down before you start grilling me. What are you, fucking Ronan Farrow? What am I, part of a hit piece? Were you writing a book about me? God!
Jack stormed off. He seems to always be angry these days, but I don't know why. Maybe because he's so stupid and ugly. Hell, if I wasn't secretly writing this book about his sad, ineffectual, soft penis life, would his existence have any meaning at all?
I knew it!